Hello, Vanilla Animation fan, and welcome for the new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to use the camera on Blender 3D software. This is our 3D animation file profile. So this is Funny Horror Animation 3D. You can see here. And our tutorial today will talk about the camera movement in Blender and how we can play with camera and do multiple tasks and missions with the camera. So let's start. So today we are going to choose the section 3D viewport section, which allow us to select any object that we are looking for. So I'm going to choose this camera, and as you can see here on the timeline frame, which is allowed to open from animation and timeline under the loop sheet, or you can just click shift and F12 to bring it. So here is the camera, and here is the view from camera. So if we just drop backward or forward, shows the camera is moving. So here's the keyframes for the camera. So all the camera keyframes is just located here, starting from 0 frame to 3332 frame. So what to choose is to just do the camera keyframes movement. So let's start from here. I'm going to click right. And here is successfully added 9 keyframes from preset location. So smooth frame, for example, 480, and I'm going to shift F so I can fly with the camera. So you can click on W, D, or A and move the camera from Y axis, even Z axis and X axis. Going to move in it a little bit. Just right. Then I see the frame and right. So it shows successful alignment keyframe from visualization and scale. So if we start from 0 to our frame, it shows that the camera just set into the same frame that we put, and you can guys use it for the whole process, like whole animation camera, the same method. Yeah, I think it's enough for today, and see you for the next tutorial. Thank you. And if you have any questions, ask write in comments below.